we feel like we have the tools and we have, what's necessary and what's required to go that next step in our property development journey.
Cannot recommend it highly enough. Just so thorough and just got all the information I needed.
Lots and lots of valuable information, especially if you don't know where to start.
My level of knowledge has really jumped up tremendously.
Lots and lots of information to help us move forward.
I really enjoyed Bob's teaching style because he's very laid back, very knowledgeable and very good communicator in being able to articulate all the elements of property development.
Oh, it's very clear the wealth of experience that Bob has.
We'll do this one. Don't bother about the others. You've got decades of experience in both mentoring and property development that are available to you in this course. So why not go to the best first? I've done the others and save yourselves a bother.